Let's take a look at how to update your LCSC faculty and staff directory page. You can move through the specific chapters of this video with the progress bar at the bottom of the screen. Each section has been labeled. To edit your profile, you'll need to be on campus or connected to the VPN. If you are unable to sign in or are having issues filling out your profile, please contact your site editor and they will submit a work order to the help desk. You can find your department's designated site editor on the list linked in the description below. First, open a browser. Here we're going to visit https://edit.lcsc.edu. Once you're on this page, make sure that you click the blue link at the top to sign in with your LCSC account. Enter your LCSC email address, and then your username and password at the secure login page. From this point on, I'm going to be operating in the test environment, so my URL will be slightly different than yours. Now that we're in Umbraco, let's take a look at some of the basic navigation and features. So on the left, we're going to be using Content and Media. Content is where we'll add the actual information to our profile and any extra content that we want to include. Media allows us to upload documents and pictures. This is important for uploading your profile picture and any documents that you want to include in your profile. To add a document to your media, click here, and then choose your document. You may have to navigate to where your document is stored. Mine is on the desktop, but yours could be in Documents or Downloads. Once we open that file, it's uploaded to the website, and now we can access it to add it to our profile. Back in Content, we have two tabs at the top here that we're going to be worried about. Profile, which includes our basic information, and Content. At the bottom of the page, we can save and publish, which will make our page available online, or if we click the arrow next to it, we can just save our work without having to publish it yet. We can also use Preview to see what our website will look like before we publish it. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name listed here. Go ahead and click on it, and it'll take you to your profile page. This is pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and enter all of your honorifics and your information, any suffixes that you want, your position and title. You can add multiple entries to the positions and titles field and then use the cross icon to change the order that they'll show up in on your page. Once you make it down to the office field, you'll have to click Add. And then next to your building, you'll click this black arrow to expand the building and be able to pick your specific office. You can also use the search field to narrow it down. Once you have all of your information entered, it's time to add a photo. This area will let you upload a headshot to your profile page. The photo needs to be a high-resolution professional headshot. If you need to have a photo taken, contact the LCSC Media Specialist. Once you have your photo, click here to choose File, navigate to your photo, and select it. Then hit Submit. After we've chosen our headshot, we need to set the focal point. This will ensure that our picture looks good on the website. To do this, we'll need to navigate to Media, hover over our picture, and then click the purple bar at the bottom. This green dot sets the focal point for the picture, and a good rule of thumb is to put it on your nose. Once you've finished, go ahead and hit Save. Next, we're going to move on to the Content field. The first section allows you to add personal links to your profile page. These can be either internal links, external links, or file links. Internal links allow you to link to other pages on the lcsc.edu website. Let's take a closer look at adding an internal link. So on the internal link page, we're going to click Add, and then we're going to navigate to the page that you would like to link. So from lcsc.edu, We're going to go to Offices and Services. I'm looking for IT. So now I have added an internal link to the IT website. We also need to add a display name for our link. I'm just going to call mine Information Technology. Next, let's take a look at external links. External links allow you to link to any website that's not a part of lcsc.edu. So this could include personal websites or articles that you've written. When you're linking to the site, you're going to have to add the entire URL, not just the www part. So for my example, I'm just going to use google.com. And once again, you're going to have to set your display name. Finally, we have File Link. File Link allows you to upload a document to your page. So for example, if you wanted to link an important document for your students or an article you've written that isn't hosted elsewhere, we're going to use File Link. When you click the plus button, it will show you all of your available media. If your document is not listed here, you'll need to visit the media section to upload it. Next are our social links. This allows you to link a Facebook, Instagram, whatever variety of social media links that you would like, and add those to your profile page. Office hours, pretty self-explanatory. Pick your day and add your time. Each day will have its own entry. So if you're Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you can have individual office hours for each of those. Finally, we have the body content. This is going to be the main bulk of your page. So we're going to start with heading. So for example, I'm going to add 3 fields: education, teaching experience, and about me. After each heading, we need to add a rich text box that contains the actual body of the section. I'll use the text editor to add the information about my education. And now I'm ready to add the next heading. It looks like I've made a mistake. I've added a rich text field, but I forgot to put my heading in. To fix this, I'm going to click the plus that's in between both rich text fields and add my heading. Once you're satisfied with the info and content and profile, go ahead and click the Save and Publish button. This will make your content available on the website. Also, at any time, if you're wondering how your page looks, click the Preview button to get a preview before it's published.